Hello everyone, in today's video, I am going to show you how to auto-admit in Google Meet in just a few steps, okay? So let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is um go to the Google Meet website and start an instant meeting. Okay. So right here guys is um you want to like if you have participants and you send them the link on the on this meeting and you want like if you kind of busy and you want them to like directly join the meeting and no need for you to admit them individually, you just have to go to the bottom right here and go to this lock icon, so the host controls. Okay, click that one. As you can see, you need to turn on the host management. Okay, click that one, this one, guys, to turn the host management. So, for us to auto admit the participants is as you can see here, the meeting access type. So it says we enable the trusted one. So for us to auto admit the participant, you just have to select this open. Okay, click that one. It says that no one has to ask to join, so anyone can dial in. So anyone that has the link, they can actually join directly and don't have to um have your admission or your request. Okay, so that's it guys. So that's how we're going to auto admit in Google Meet, and I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Google Meet. Thank you.